Can you really catch a bird by putting salt on his tail?
Well, don't bother me, Andy. Can't you see I'm busy?
Guess who?
Give me that gun! Now, wise guy, I'm gonna blow you full of holes just like you put on my roof.
You're not going to pull that old gag on me, are you, son? Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb. Betrayed!
I got him! I got him! Look, Andy! I got him!
Yeah, look, Andy, he's got me, he's got me. He's got me. Hold tight, Pop. Here we go. Some fun, eh, Pop? Last one down is a rotten egg. It works. They got me. Get me out of here. Let me out of here. Get me out of here. Help! Help! Get me out! Help! Help! Get me out! Help!
Confidentially, this guy's crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's nuts. We know his whole family. They're all batty. Now take us, for instance. Why, we're different. We're...